Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with B. In this series we are going to create one simple plant disease detection application. Also we are going to create one chatbot. Okay, a chatbot is just a simple chatbot. Here we are not going to use any kind of ChatGPT or DeepSeek model. We are going to create our own chatbot using the retrieval based method. Okay, and here we are going to train one CSV file with some predefined question and answer, so that you will get the basic idea how we can create one chatbot. Okay, also we are going to create one disease detection model using CNN. Okay, using CNN we are going to create one disease detection model. So this is the main screen of our web app. It will be a web app using the React White, and for design purposes we are going to use Tailwind CSS for make it responsive. Also we are going to use TypeScript, not the JavaScript programming language. Okay, so this is the responsive one. Okay, if you see, this is the responsive web app. Now whenever we click on the try now, it will navigate us to the disease detection page where user can upload one image. Okay, so suppose here we take one image. Okay, now here we simply click detect disease. It will detect the disease. Okay, it will give us the disease, confidence level, and some expert advice. Okay, after that suppose we are going to upload one image, like suppose this is one image. Okay, let me check whether it is give the result or not. Okay, just do one thing, just reload the page. Okay, so whenever we click on it, it will not display any kind of result, right? Because it is not a live disease. Okay, this is not a live image. Okay, so yeah, now coming back to the chatbot one. Here whenever we click on it, it will display one simple cute frame with our chat section, where you can suppose if you ask him what is apple's crab disease. So it will take some time and it will give us the answer. Okay, so yeah, this is a simple chatbot. Okay, this though if you think that how it will give us this answer, because we trained that model using our questions. We train like more than 150 questions and answers. Okay, so after that it will give us that result based on our questions. Okay, so this will be the simple web application that we are going to build in this series. This is just a small overview. Okay, so in the next video we are going to check the AI part, how we can build our model and how we can deploy it using the flash. Okay,